Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, for the first time ever in Cooking for Health history, we have a guest on our channel. Today, I will be cooking with my best friend, Bree.
Hi!
Today, we will be making...
Hello, Dolly.
Bars? For this recipe, you will be needing a half cup of melted coconut oil,
1.5 cups of crushed gluten-free graham cracker crumbs. We will leave a recipe for these in the description box below.
1 cup of chopped hazelnuts. If you are not old enough to use a knife, please get an adult to help you.
2 cups of chocolate chips. We use 70% dark chocolate. The darker the chocolate, the healthier.
1 cup of shredded coconut.
And 1 3/4 cups of full-fat coconut milk.
To start, we are going to take our crushed graham crackers and we are going to add in our melted coconut oil. You want it to become the consistency of wet sand. Then you're going to add your mixture into a 9 by 13 inch pan that is lined with parchment paper.
Pack it firmly into the bottom of the pan. Make sure it covers everything. This is what it should look like when you're all done.
Next, you're going to take your hazelnuts and sprinkle them all over. Then you're going to do the same for your chocolate chips. Then again with your shredded coconut.
Next, you're going to pour your coconut milk all over the Hello Dolly. If you need to, take a spatula to even it out.
Now we're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown.
Allow the bars to cool completely before cutting them into squares. This is so good.
That is really good. Delicious.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to
Subscribe!
if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and also hit that notification bell if you want to find more videos like this.